Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anukriti here. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys 3 very simple, easy, instant glow face mask. And this DIY face mask will give you guys instant bright and glowing skin at home. But before we jump into the video, if you're new to my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell for every new video. So without wasting any time, let's quickly jump into the video. For this first face mask, मैंने यहाँ पे लिया है raw milk and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Then I'm just going to massage it on my face for like 5 minutes and let it sit for like 5 minutes more. And then I'm going to wash it off. So this face mask will actually nourish your skin and give you an instant bright and glowing skin. So raw milk is very good for our skin as it has vitamin B. It nourishes skin cells from deep within and keep the skin moisturized all day. And raw honey is extremely moisturizing and hydrates even the driest of skin. And raw honey has soothing and healing properties, which is very good for our skin in this winter season. So as you guys can see that this face mask has brightened up my skin and gives my skin that instant glow. For the second face mask, मैंने यहाँ पे लिया है 2 tablespoons of CHAACH, which is also known as buttermilk, and 2 tablespoons of tomato juice plus 2 tablespoons of honey. Then I'm going to apply this mixture on my face and let it sit for like 10 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it off. So buttermilk या CHAACH gives an instant glow to our skin, and buttermilk reduces spots and other blemishes as well, and it helps tighten the skin and keeps it wrinkle free and youthful. And tomato helps reduce open pores and blackheads. Tomato juice helps to even out skin discoloration. It helps to treat and prevent acne. So tomato juice is very good for an instant bright and glowing skin. And as you guys can see that my skin is looking more refreshed and plumped. So yeah guys, this face mask is my favorite और मैं इसको week में एक बार use करती हूँ. It actually gives that instant result. So इस थर्ड फेस मास्क को बनाने के लिए मैंने सेकंड फेस मास्क में जितने भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स थे उनमें बस मुल्तानी मिट्टी ऐड की है, which is also known as Fuller's Earth. And this face mask is best for oily skin people to get an instant glow on your face. So yeah, I'm going to keep this face mask on my face for like 10 minutes. Then I'm going to wash it off. So Fuller's Earth या मुल्तानी मिट्टी आप लोगों को पता ही होगा is very good to absorb oil and other impurities, and it also help oily skin people to unclog their pores. So it is very good to improve skin tone and soften the skin as well. So as you guys can see, my skin is feeling more refreshed and very much plumped. And yeah guys, all these face masks are super good in this winter festive season to get an instant bright and glowing skin. And if you guys find this video super helpful, so do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for every new video. So if you guys try these face masks, do let me know the results in the comment section below. And happy Diwali guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.